Snowman around
Yeah,
also, I would imagine today. Perfect snowman, snowball fight.
Yeah.
Snow is good also. Not great for shoveling because it's a wet, heavy snow out there. And many areas got quite a bit. We're talking 6, 7, 8 inches plus around central Indiana today alone. We may add on a little bit more as we go through the overnight hours. The highest total I've seen so far today up at Ball State, 8.3 inches. On the north side of Indianapolis around Nora, we had 8 inches. And this just in, the National Weather Service just after 11 o'clock sent out some information. We are now up to 6.9 inches of snow in Indianapolis, which now ties the record for this date. We may add on another couple tenths, so we'll see if we actually break that before midnight. I think we are going to add on some additional snow through the overnight hours. Now, if you were watching earlier at 6, we'd shown you this map, but I've made a couple tweaks to this. We're still looking for maybe up to an inch, probably a half inch or so, and for areas shaded to the white, up to 1 to 2 inches from areas from Indianapolis and south. But notice this additional area now down to the south. Computer models this afternoon and this evening continue to hint there could be a little band of heavy snow setting up late overnight, and I just can't keep ignoring that. So I am going to include maybe 2 to 3, an isolated 4-inch amount, not out of the question, in addition to what we already have. This is for areas down towards Bloomington, Columbus, Seymour, also down towards the Bedford area. Right now you can see on Guardian Radar, Noblesville, Kokomo, places like that, not seeing a lot in the way of snow. There is some heavier snow just back to the west into portions of Putnam County, also down into portions of Owen County. Just to the south of Greencastle, to the northwest of Cloverdale near Putnamville, we've got some moderate snow currently being detected by radar. South and east of there, you can see now into portions of northern Owen County, we're starting to see some heavier snows beginning to develop. Also over towards Paragon, where I think I saw that had over 7 inches of snow today. Gosport also seeing some of the heavier snow. And you're seeing green to the south. I've checked our camera down at Lake Monroe. I'm not seeing any rain with us right now. It still looks like it's snow falling down that direction. So the radar may be having some difficulty trying to detect what is rain and snow down in that area. But you can see on future view as we go through the overnight hours, colder air begins to filter just a little further to the south. That's going to change a lot of that over to all snow. And it's by 6 o'clock in the mornings where we can see some of those heavier bands setting up to the south. As far as the Indianapolis metro area, I think the snow is out of here by around 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, and then that will quickly follow the rest out of the state of Indiana. We'll just be dealt with some clouds through the day and maybe just a few snow flurries around as well. Right now we've got 31 degrees. Temperatures haven't really moved much today. Winds are out of the east-northeast at 12 miles per hour, but we do have a wind chill out there into the teens and low 20s. Air temperature around central Indiana, upper 20s to low 30s. Factor in the wind, it feels like it's 13 right now in Peru. It feels like 18 in Muncie. It feels like 19 right now in Shelbyville. Overnight, our temperatures will dip only a degree or two from where they are right now, upper 20s to low 30s. For tomorrow, we'll see our temperatures not rising very much, only into the low 30s by afternoon. Look for a high of 32 degrees. 7-day forecast in central Indiana, 27 degrees by Monday. We're going to turn cold for the next 7 days, maybe a little warm up. And by warm up, we're talking upper 30s coming in by Thursday, but with that, a chance for some rain, and then maybe some rain snow mix coming in Friday, and then turning much colder for next weekend.
All right, John, thanks so much.